Leadiq tutorial for beginners. How to use Leadiq for prospecting. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Leadiq, a powerful prospecting tool that helps sales teams find, capture, and connect with leads efficiently. To get started, you're going to go onto leadiq.com. Then from there, you can tap on Start Free and you can sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to tap on Download Leadiq for Chrome. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page and you're just going to tap on Install. Once it has been installed, you're going to automatically be redirected to LinkedIn, as this is one of the best prospecting tools to use on LinkedIn. And to get started, you can tap on the search bar and for example, you can type in sales director at a particular company or whomever you would like to reach out to. After you have done that, all you need to do, as you can see, I'm currently on this person's profile. Once you're on the person's profile page, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're just going to tap on the Leadiq icon. So you'll tap on the Leadiq icon. Then it is going to automatically open up. Once it has opened up, from there you're going to see the person's profile and you can just tap on capture. After selecting capture, you'll automatically capture the person's work email, mobile phones and work phones and socials if available, as you can see right there. So you could select capture. Then from there you can choose where you'd like to save it and we're going to tap on Save to Leadiq. And you can see that it has automatically been saved. So that's how you'll be able to do prospecting on LinkedIn. And if we were to go back into the Leadiq platform, so let me close out of that. And if we were to go back into Leadiq, then from there you could go over to the left hand menu option also. And you could tap on list. After tapping on list, you could enter in the company name that you would like to do some prospecting on. So let's say, for example, Apple. So you could select Apple right there. After you have selected Apple, from there you can also scroll down and you could go more specific if it is a company that has more than one branches or so on. You could select a particular region. You can also type in the individual name that you like to prospect and you can type in their specific location and you can also select their title, as you can see right there. So you can zone down even more specific. Once you have done that, if for example we were to tap on Apple, we could tap on See Employees. And then from there you'll be provided with a list of the different employees, as you can see right there. And you could select a particular employee. After you have selected the employee, we could tap on Open Profile Page. Then from there you'll be provided with their socials and their contacts, as you can see right here. And you will also be provided with their role and so on. So you can see right there, he's currently the Senior Software Engineer Manager. And if you would like to add this person to the list, you can tap on Add to List. And also by going over, so let's say I were to tap on Add to List. After you have added them to the list, we could go over to the left hand menu option. And from there you can tap on List. And you'll be able to see all of your leads right there. And this platform can also be used for automating outreach, as Leadiq integrates with email automation tools like Outreach, Sales Slough, and HubSpot to help you send personalized cold emails. If you would like to do that, all you'll need to do is scroll down from the left hand menu option, tap on Settings. After you have tapped on Settings, what I want you to do next is tap on Integrations. And for example, you can integrate any one of these platforms, for example, Salesforce or HubSpot. And then from there, you'll be able to use this platform for outreach. And you'll also be able to use Leadiq for tracking prospect engagement and so on. So this is an all-in-one platform that is perfect for any sales team that wants to do some prospecting. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.